Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to bake this simple homemade milky bread recipe. So sit back, relax, make sure you watch this video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So first of all, in your clean mixing bowl, pour in 4 cups of flour or 500 grams of flour. Afterwards, add half cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of instant yeast, together with half teaspoon of grated nutmeg or ground nutmeg. Then use your dough hook mixer attachment to mix all these dry ingredients together. As soon as they are well mixed up together, then it's time for you to add your margarine or butter. So for this recipe, it calls for 50 grams of margarine or butter. So I used margarine, that's the reason why I did not add salt. But if you're using unsalted butter, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Keep mixing till it's well incorporated into the mixture. Then afterwards, it's now time for you to add your eggs. So for this recipe, I used 2 eggs. Afterwards, add 1 teaspoon of milk flavor extract. If you don't have milk extract, you can use vanilla flavor. So right now it's time for us to pour in our milk. Remember, this recipe is milky bread recipe. So now we are going to use 1 cup of milk for this recipe. So now this is me pouring in my whole milk into the mixture. So I used 1 cup of whole milk. Now we're going to mix our dough. So I mixed this for like 30 to 45 minutes using medium speed. So you have to mix until it gets to this level where the dough comes together and the sides of your bowl come out clean. You have to knead it on your work surface, so you knead for like 5 to 10 minutes. You can knead it until it's smooth, then allow it to rise. Now we are going to allow it to rise for the first time, so we are double proofing. This is me trying to cover the dough in a bowl. Then after doing this, I'll have to keep it in one place for it to rise for like 30 minutes. Then after 30 minutes, I'll have to bring it out again, deflect the dough, that is by removing the air bubbles inside, then kneading it again until it's smooth. Now I have this very smooth dough. So it's time for me to cut out the desired dough sizes I want. Then transfer it to your loaf pan. Make sure you grease your loaf pan very well. Now I'm done with this particular process, so the next thing for me to do is to allow it to rise again. So I'm going to leave it in a warm place for another 25 to 30 minutes for it to rise. Right now, as you can see, it has doubled in size. It's now time for me to egg wash. So you're going to break 1 egg, whisk it, then use your brush. Do the exact thing I'm doing right now. So this is me egg washing my bread dough. This egg washing technique gives it that shiny look. After baking this bread, the top will be shining, and you know, it will give you that attractive look. So it's time for me to bake. I baked this particular bread using 150 degrees centigrade. So and I baked for 45 minutes. This is it, fully baked and lush. I believe you enjoyed this video, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.